We're doing free-for-all. Wait, that's not a good intro. Come on. What's up, guys? In this video, I'm running a SEMA M870 pump action shotgun. I have a terrible... Wait, Australian? No. It's... Well, there's my K. I gotta get out of here. Austrian. That's the word. Oh, shoot. Okay, the AAG. I gotta run hard. Anyway, it is free for all. I'm not sure what my strategy is, because McKay's on my tail with the M4. And especially starting, I'm gonna try going back here. Never been back here before. Oh yeah. Perfect. We're sniping with a shotgun. Gosh. Anyway, it's free for all. Okay, it's got the M4. And I'm assuming he's coming right for me, because he knows I have a major disadvantage with a pump action shotgun. So that's gonna be fun. Probably shouldn't be standing. Why am I standing? Okay. I don't see McKay. So I have no clue where anybody is. That is not what you want in your sandwiches. That's okay. Okay? Oh my, that is sketchy. Okay. Team. I feel so bad for Eli, but I mean, I have a freaking shotgun. There's McKay. Team. Team. Go somewhere else. Go somewhere else. Don't know what Eli's plan is. Me and McKay just teamed up because this is unfair. Eli's got the sniper and the SSX. He's got the stealth package. And if it was just me with the shotgun, I would have been completely annihilated. So, now that me and McKay are together, in and out, I think that I could have actually gotten a pretty good shot on him. Wow. That was an idiotic move. That's okay. What the Just a branch. Hate going on these roads because somebody can just come around there. But I think I know Eli, and I think he's gonna stay. Wait, is that Eli? Nope. Just my terrible vision. Anyway, I think Eli's gonna stay down by the creek. There's better sniping positions up there. I don't think he's gonna go up to the road, but who knows? There's McKay. Just a little black thing moving. If you can see him, please don't shoot at me. You're kidding. Okay. McKay's not shooting at me. I'm just casually strolling while he's trying to kill Eli. No big deal. Here he comes. What if I just kill him right here? Should I? That would be so OP. Can I help you? Okay.
Yeah.
You okay?
I was just getting shot by my Eli. What do you mean?
Where is he? What? Where is he?
Out there in the woods.
See, I told you.
Something level as us.
Oh, I see. Well, guess what?
What?
I'm joking. Chill. Okay, well, he's gonna push up, I bet. He's gonna push up.
What?
He's gonna push up. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to Eli's 18 subscribers.
Hey, Eli's 18. 18?
Yeah, I checked it out. Because I'm a creep like that.
Eli's over there.
Don't shoot. You're gonna give away your position, smart guy. I have absolutely no plan.
Happy that me and you cleaned up. It's a M4.
Bang, bang.
Really?
Yeah.
Hit!
That is so dumb. I'm kidding, McKay. I'm kidding. Yo, kidding.
Eli, just kidding! Not hit! You really made me do that.
Oh, that was so dumb.
Guess what? Bang, bang.
I thought you were actually gonna shoot. Okay, well.
Eli's over there.
You guys gonna come up on us. You realize that, right? He's pushing up.
Let's run.
Run
Not to
where?
him, away.
What help would that do? We need
Hear
to
that?
push up.
He's pushing up. I
I said that for. Oh.
I heard him though. You know, I have.
Well,
Dude,
he's shooting at us. That was actually a joke. McKay's just running. McKay! Hey! Get over here! Trying to act like. What? No. Did you?
I just realized I have an M4, so I probably should have been shooting.
Yeah, that was not a smart move on your part.
But it's so cool. It's just like long and.
It's also sketchy as flipping stuff.
Yeah,
Dude, I was
let's go
right there.
there.
I could have gotten a good shot on you. Huh?
Let's go in there.
Eli? Eli is?
No, Eli's over there. We should go right there.
Oh, I see.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Right there.
What? I'm going over there. Smart guy. Yeah, exactly. Oh, right here. Ow. They're gonna plow through the tree. Shh. Okay. So me and Mickey are teamed up. We've got an amazing sniper shot. Happy days. Now that is what you want in your
Yeah, we're gonna
sandwiches.
die.
If Yella kills us both, then I'll be genuinely impressed.
Probably gonna get one.
Fish. Being such a loud little kid. Look, okay. Someone stays somewhere, and the other person stays somewhere. I'll go out, you stay in. That's a great plan, huh? Okay. Let's do this. You're famous.
I'm famous.
No, don't. Shh. Don't do it. Shh. If this video gets 100 million views,
We will drop part 2.
no, if this video gets 100 million views, I will give the 100 millionth viewer a
My airsoft gun.
what? No. Shh. I will give you $1. So let's get viewing, people. You know what we should do? We should take cover because we're literally sitting ducks. And then it's gonna light us up. Which is not what you want in your sandwiches. Oh my. I think I see him. I think so. Gotta make this film entertaining. You see him? Okay, get down, get down. You see him? What? That is so dumb. You should. You're being insanely loud. It's not even funny.
Because I was joking about the teams bang bang. Call your hits.
What?
Call your hits.
No, you? Did you hear that?
Sounded like a bang.
Yeah, it was a big bang. Eli's got a real gun. Oh yeah, he's shooting at us. What time is it? Summertime, it's our vacation. What time is it? Time of our
I'm
lives.
calling a bird.
What?
I'm calling a bird.
Well, how are you gonna do that? With a piece of grass?
I've been research over the past few days.
You actually have? Because you're gonna get
Absolutely
a bird?
not. Absolutely not. I'm making this up.
Yeah, I figured. You make everything up these days.
Oh,
Okay, okay, you're actually being so loud.
I know.
I don't... Just fall down. Just like... What? That's why you gotta be quiet. Eli's probably confused. Eventually he'll probably yell and be like, no one know where he is. No one just rush him.
What did you say?
Wow, he has got a really realistic dog voice. That's pretty good. He's over there. Yeah, let's see if I'll do it again.
Yeah.
What?
Okay.
But if he had just a sniper rifle, it's okay. If he just had the sniper rifle, then I probably wouldn't be on your team. I probably would have lit you up over there with 3 BBs. But he has the SSX.
This is so
Did he shoot? Did he shoot the SSX on you at all?
Yeah, he fired the sniper and I was like, wait a minute. I heard something. Look over, all I see is Eli pull out the SSX. Go pop, 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 pop. And I'm like, oh, shoot, no.
You want to push up?
Exactly.
But we push up that way.
Push it down.
Like, wing? No, duh. As you're literally freaking yelling.
I'm gonna take my dog.
Oh, okay, let's go. Because we need this footage to be exciting. Why? What if I just want to act like a giant? Oh, you look like a fool. Okay, shh. No, he's not over there. I'm just saying shh. Generally,
Hold on.
you're like,
That's a car.
just kidding. I didn't point it to his head. Don't do that. I did not point it to his head. I pointed it to the sky.
That dog are starting to fire now.
Why did we stop? What?
That's Eli.
It was over there?
Yeah.
How? There's... Oh my gosh.
Just go with him.
Where?
Rush.
I hate rush.
On top of my dog.
Well, that's the stupidest idea I ever heard. I've got fog like in another end. You don't see me crying about it. Okay, let's rush. Come on. Come on. What? What?
Start shooting at him.
Wow.
Once you start shooting at us, just kill him. Just kill him.
You know what?
Just say this.
I wonder if he's going. I wonder if he's going around the road.
When he gets a flag, you probably don't know. If Eli bang bang,
I'd be happy because the SSX-23 is very painful. Shh. Try not to step in leaves generally. even know where he is, do we? He's not shooting at me, so I think we're good. What?
He's probably going for me first. I'll see you later.
Hey. Okay. What are you doing? That is not... What? Your goggles are foggy? Don't. Okay. Stop. He's got a visual shot of your eyes right now. You realize that, right? Let's just go. Come on. My goggles are fogging too, but you don't see me crying about it. He can see your freaking eyes. Come on, let's go. What?
Sharp eyes.
Well, I can't have a sharp eye when all I see is literally nothing. Oh, hit! Oh, that is awesome. Where are you, Eli? Oh, hello, mate. Oh, that is so awesome. Well, let's go over and talk to Eli. Nice shot. Hey! I'm right in the line of fire. Okay.